The Future Regions Research Centre is an important element and introduced by the university. And the research centre is bringing a lot of experts in a multidisciplinary area to solve the problems currently faced by a range of industries across Victoria and Australia. A lot of areas have been degraded by various activities. Our stream is actually restore and rehabilitate and give back to the nature what is in a good state. And we build science into that, and we bring industries into this area to work collaboratively and to provide a better solution for the future generation. Nanya is a 40,000 hectare property managed and researched by the university and supported by a range of industries. It has luxuriant biodiversity, and there are a range of threatened species there. Now, the beauty about Nanya is a 40,000 hectare open lab for our students to explore and understand what's actually happening in the real world. And at the same time, we are saving our species. So we are very proud to manage and continue to do research in that space.
The stream I'm involved in is about mine rehabilitation and landform stability. Understanding the stability of a created landform is the impact which climate change may have. And we are currently working on a project where we investigate what consequences climate change may have on the type of vegetation which we can find on soils. What is important is to make sure that a rehabilitated landform is not just stable for the next 5 or 10 years, but actually stable still in 100 or 200 or 1,000 years. Federation University has the big desire to work together with the region, and not just with the region, but also for the region. We are actually purposing our research and help to answer questions relevant to satisfy whatever needs there are in the region. A lot of challenges have come through the bringing forward of the mine closure, and those challenges, they are not just on the physical, geomechanical side or environmental side, but also in the social side.
When we consider our community, we can think about climate change, we can think about the ecology. These are big issues, but so much of it's associated with how communities impact with them. So if you want to understand your community and future-proofing it, then you really need to know where you're coming from. So the society and heritage piece is a vital part of a bigger discussion. We're currently working a number of projects, including with the Ununu people in Central Australia, looking at employment futures for local community at Uluru Katajuda. We're also interested in early childhood and the provision of childcare in Horsham and the Wimmera region. And in Ballarat, we're also interested in how we can leverage cultural tourism and regional identity through looking at the various aspects of the past, particularly the Gold Rush era. With different people from working in different research areas, we've got this extra capability where we can have increased project capacity. We're also able to run a number of different postgraduate offerings as well. So it's a great place to come and do a PhD. It's a great place to get involved in a big project.